Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope everything is okay. Today we are going to learn how to find out the unknown side, the not given side, with the help of perimeter and area of square. Now for example, look at this square. All of them are squares. Okay, the length is not given. We know that the length of the squares, all the sides are same, right? Squares have four sides. The four sides are same, equal, right? So they have not given any side, but they have given the total perimeter. You know, perimeter is the addition of surrounding sides of any figure, right? For example, if it is a square, we have to add all the sides of the square. Though all the sides of square is same, they have not given any of the sides to us. But it's okay, we can find out. Even in previous videos, we have learned that perimeter is equal to L plus L plus L plus L plus L, right? So which is equal to 4L, right? So we know perimeter is 16, right? For this A, for the question A, 16. So which is equal to 4L. Now I will just twist the question. I'll bring the 4L to my left hand and 16 to the right side. Okay. Now to get rid of this 4, I have to divide the 4 by 4 so that I will get 1, right? And L equal, if I divide one side, I have to divide to the other side as well with the same number, then only equation balances, right? Now 4 divided by 4 will be 1, so I will remain with 1 times L, that is L, right, is equal to 16 divided by 4 is, that means 4 times 16 divided by 4, that means we have to check 4 times how much is 16. 4 times 4 is 16, right? So we get L equal 4. So it's in meter, so is also the length is also in meter. Therefore, we know that it is 4 meter one side. Likewise, we can even do B. Okay. For example, B. But again, I will just go for the shortcut for equal. Perimeter of square is equal to 4L. So perimeter is given, that is 36, which is equal to 4L. Let me twist the formula, bring the 4L to the left side and then 36 to the right side. And then to get rid of 4, I will divide 4 by 4 so that I will have 1. And L equal, if I divide one side, I must divide to the other side. Therefore, if I 4 divided by 4, I will have 1, that is 1 times L is equal to L equal to 36 divided by 4 means 4 times, how much is 36? 4 times 9 is 36, right? So it's centimeter because this is given in centimeter. Okay. Let me do C as well. Now see. So what is the formula for perimeter of a square? P equal 4L, right? Because we simplified by adding L plus L plus L plus L, right? This is 4L. So then, oh sorry, this is area. It's not perimeter anymore. Therefore, we must know the area of square formula. Area of square is length times length, right? Length times length, we have learned this before. So area they have given, that is 25, which is equal to length times length. Let me twist like perimeter, like what I did in perimeter. Let me twist the equation. I will bring to my left the L's and then to my right the 25. So as I told you before that, so this should be same value, right? So this, how can you get 25 by multiplying with the same numbers? So we know that 5 times 5 equals 25, right? So how much is L? It's very simple. L is equal to 5 centimeter, right? Look, the area is the inside, the perimeter is the surrounding. So this is, we are multiplying L into L, that's why the unit became square. That's why, but we are finding one side, one length. That means this why this will be in linear unit, that is centimeter, right? If centimeter, then it's 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter. 5 times 5, 25 centimeter times 1 centimeter is centimeter squared. Okay. Likewise, let's do D. Okay. This will be again, area formula is length times length, right? So how much is area? 81. Immediately you should know that which times which you get 81. If you know the times table, 9 times table, can you guess? That is 51. So that is 9 times 9 is equal to 81, right? So L is how much? L is equal to 9. This is in meter, therefore I get in meters. So if I write the answers, it will be, this will be how much? This was 5 we found right here. And then this is 9. And then this one is 9. Right. Now here we found the side which is not given from the square in both the ways. For example, when perimeter is given, also we can find out the not given side, the unknown side. Even if they have given the area, also we can find out the unknown side. Here we don't need any sides to be given, because square has all the sides, all the sides of the square is same. They have equal length in all the sides. Now look at this one. This is like they have given the perimeter, that means like a piece of string is 28 centimeter long, is used to form a square. Okay, that means the surrounding, like if they put a string, a thread over this, that means the total length is 28 centimeter. Okay, so that means the perimeter is 28 centimeter, and then they ask me to find out one side. Let's try. Now, so that's about perimeter, right? Perimeter is equal to, we know that perimeter is 4L, right? Isn't it? So 4L equal P. So 4L equal perimeter, that's at 28, right? Let me divide 4 by 4 and then write L there. Equal 28 also should be divided by 4. So 4 over 4 is 1. 1 times L is equal to 28 divided by 4 means 4 times how much is 28? That means 7 times 4 is 28, right? So we found that one side is 7. Because 4 divided by, you can even immediately divide the 28 by 4. That you will find out the length of one side. Now that's the A part. Now B part. What is the area of the square? Area. So you know the formula of area. You must by heart this formula for area of square. Okay. Now area we don't know, which is equal, but we know the length. Length is one side is 7, so 7 times 7. So 7 times 7 is how much? 49, right? Centimeter squared. Make sure you write this small 2 as a square. Okay, that's very important. Right, the square unit, because area, all the units in area is a square unit. Now look at this number. Okay, let me do this one. P is equal, now a square has an area of 64 meters squared. Find the length of one side of the square and find the perimeter. Now this is the other way around. They have given the area and asking us to find out the length. No problem. So area is 64 is equal to L times L. Now I will twist as usual, because it is easy. It will be easy for you if you bring it this way. Okay. Now L, which is 64? If you know 8 times table, 8 times 8 is 64. So 1L is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we found the length of one side. Now perimeter is easy. Perimeter is equal to 4L. So perimeter is equal to 4 times L is how much? 8. So P is equal to 4 times 8 is 32 centimeter. Remember, perimeter is not a square unit. Now you can do this number. Okay, try. Thank you. I hope it's very clear.